I don't have a stop sign there, buddy. You do. You pulled right out in front of me.
Driver got into accident with this driver on video, who took off after being asked for insurance info.
Let me get your insurance info. Unbelievable, bro. The fact that you're trying to justify it is crazy.
Man, you know what?
That's crazy.
Go ahead, take my license plate number and make a police
No,
report.
dude, let me get your insurance.
I can't.
Give me your insurance info, buddy.
Here, you can have my driver's license. I do have in my insurance. I just don't have
You
it
probably don't. You probably don't even have insurance.
See, now you're starting to piss me off.
I don't care. You just made me crash my car. You don't think I'm pissed?
Okay, but dude, accidents
Let's
happen.
go.
You don't
Let
have
me
to be
see it. Yeah, I do.
Call the cops then, because I'll get out.
Give
I'll
me your
get out of
license,
my
buddy.
car.
Give me your license, dude. It's the law.
I'm
You
not
have to
giving
give me your license.
No, I don't.
You have to give me your license.
No, I
dude.
don't.
All right. All right.
No,
I'm gonna sue you.
out. Flag him down. You're over here screaming and cussing at me.
Yo! All right, buddy. I got you. Leaving the scene of an accident.
Check out this driver who completely drove in wrong way. Luckily, he stopped before getting into accident.
Straight up driving the wrong way down Indiana. Like, they are full up. I'm sorry, I'm driving by and catching it on Michelle's. Yeah, she's straight up stopped in the middle of the road. I don't know that I would want to, because like this person's got to be up or something, and like I'm sure that this Dodge Ram that they're just parked right in front of, I'm sure they've probably called the police already.
Driver merges into wrong lane and then almost gets into accident.
Will be partly cloudy and mild. Tomorrow, the high of 68, low 56.
Okay, Garmin.
The high of 69.
Same video.
What's going on here?
Why does that car slow down?
I don't know. They're slowing everybody down, dude.
Oh. Are you serious? Just driving slow.
And here we go. Come on. Go, go, go.
And this is why mobile phones are forbidden while driving. This lady driver was completely distracted by it and rear-ended car in front.
Inside the music. Hey guys.
This driver recorded a bunch of bad drivers while commuting in his car. Take a look.
Whoa!
Oh shit, that just happened.
Wow, this dude just almost drove off
Wow, you
These two drivers in front started road rage, which was pointless. Take a look. BMW driver forces Focus driver out of the lane. Luckily, everyone involved in this accident was okay. This driver said that silver car was totaled, and his truck will need almost $10,000 to repair. And this is why you need to adjust your driving style to the road conditions.
What do you mean like me? Well, what are you insinuating? That he's on the radio? Well, probably not.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.